Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to change about positive infinity into limit. So 8 approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from number 6 to 8. Next, negative number 7s we can put into negative 2s, negative 5s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 5. So s minus number 2, s minus number 2, we can do about factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus number 5 and capital B over s minus number 2. Now, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 2, so capital 8 multiplied by s minus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 5. Next, we need to expand and we need to arrange based on the terms of s. And this one we have 2a and number 5b in here. Next, we need to compare coefficients. This one we have number 1. So negative 2a negative 5b equals to number 1. A plus b, we don't have s, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we need to create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 0, negative 2a negative 5b equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 1 over 3, b equals to negative 1 over 3. And now we put a and b cone here. So we have 1 over 3 over s minus number 5. And the second one, so the integration of this one in here, we will have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 5, and we have negative 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 2, and we put the bounds from number 6 to 8. And now we put a and number 6 going here. So we put a in here, 8 in here, number 6 in here, number 6 in here. So this one we have number 1, this one we have number 4. Ln number 1 you got 0. Now we have the formula in here. Ln 8 minus ln b equals to ln of 8 over b. So we have 1 over 3, 1 over 3. We can do about factorization. And now this one we change by this one, so we have ln of the absolute value of a minus 5 over a minus number 2. Now we need to divide by 8 on numerator and denominator. So 8 divided by 8, we have number 1. This one we have number 1. When 8 approaches to positive infinity, so this one 5 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one. So ln number 1 we got 0. So negative with negative we have positive. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.